Hello, I'm going to walk you through how to install the Rosetta Stone application for language learning onto a mobile device. You can use this for your phone, Android or iPhone, iPad or Android tablet. I am showing you on an iPad today, but it's similar with whatever device that you have. So for an iPad, we're going to go to the App Store. Oops. In an Android device, you would go to Google Store instead. So once you're there, you are going to search. So it's usually a little magnifying glass. In our case, it actually does say search in the lower corner. And we're going to search for Rosetta Stone, R-O-S-E-T-T-A. You can see it popped right up there. So we want Rosetta Stone, just Rosetta Stone itself. And the app that we're looking for is the one that's yellow with the blue rock. So the yellow with the blue rock, Rosetta Learn Languages, we're going to touch. It is free, so we just have to wait for it to swirl and actually complete its downloads. Once that download is completed, you do not want to open it yet. What you do need to do instead is, as I'll let it finish downloading and I'll show you, you're going to go to the KDL website. The KDL website you can get to, again, depending on your device. You can use Safari, you can use Chrome. I'm actually using Safari here, but we go to kdl.org. And go. And then on our website, you're going to tap the little 3 bars to get to the hidden menus. Again, depending on what you go, it might look a little differently, but basically we want Discover the Library. So we discover the library, and we're going to go down to Online Resources and Language Learning. If you're on a laptop, it'll be across the top instead, but it's the same thing, online resources and language learning. Then this site on language learning is the learning tools, and again, language learning here. And you'll see it right now, we're featuring it, so it's on the top. Later on, if you're using this and you don't see it on top, if we're highlighting a different language learning thing, then you'll go down till you see Rosetta Stone. Let's get that out of the way there. Interview information about the library, and it doesn't want to go away. We'll ignore it. So again, once in it, there's instructions here of what we just did, but again, we didn't launch the app, we just downloaded it. But now we need to actually go and link to the Rosetta Stone site on the internet through KDL's access. And to do that, you just click, there's a hidden link under Rosetta Stone, and we open in a new tab, or just a simple click. There we are. So now we're linked to the Rosetta Stone through KDL. This is when you're the first time user, you do need to log in. It'll create an account for you that will remember your learning progress. If you or if someone you're working with, if English is not your language of choice to work in to get instructional information, you're going to change that over here in the corner. Dutch, English, Spanish, Francais, Italian, Portuguese, Chinese, and Japanese, it looks like, are the options right now. And that's always changing. So if it doesn't have the language that you want yet, check back or let a librarian know that that's something that you're interested in. So the first time user, you're going to enter in where it says the username field, you're going to enter in an email address. You're going to enter in a password that has to be at least 6 letters and 1 number. And then you'll choose the language that you want to learn. So I am going to do it a little backwards, but I'm going to pick the language I want to learn. I actually did learn German in college, so let's practice some of my German, and then I'll be right back after I sign in and allow you time to create your account. Okay, so we have reached the Rosetta Stone Language Learning Suite site, and it's actually their launching site. Again, this is the only time you should have to do this, but you're going to say Launch Rosetta Stone Foundations. So we click on that, and it's asking to open the page in Rosetta Stone, the app. So we say Open, and now it's opening up the app that we had before downloaded. So here it is. We open. Try it one more time. There we go. And we say get started once it stops swirling and thinking. And then again, that we're just doing this for the first time login. After you log in, you'll just click on, oh, there we go, sorry. So we get the first lesson, and you can start learning. The next time you go to log in, you'll just go directly to the app. So for instance, it'll be somewhere on your desktop or down here on your bar that's open. And once you click in, you're ready to go where you left off. If you do want to change the language that you're learning, you'll have to go back to that initial page that we went to off of the website. So it would be, we have to go back to right here where we went in through the library website, Rosetta Stone, and the username and password that you already set up. You don't have to create a new one, just the one that you just created. And then that's where you can change your language to be able to learn a different language and sign in. So hopefully this will help you in your learning endeavors on your new language acquisitions. And if you have any questions or concerns, please call the KDL at 616-784-2007. Have a great day.